Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we are from Group 1. My name is Salsabillah Rahma Putri and my partner Zinzy Adzany. We want to present about our drama analysis. Let's get started.
Hello everyone, my name is Zinzy and I will be explaining about the elements of drama. There are 3 elements of drama. The first one is literary elements. There are 8 points to this element. The first one being plot. The plot of this drama is about 2 women who are suffering from the same problem, which is struggling of balancing athletics and faith. One of the main characters, Tiana, is having problems with people doubting her about her balance between her athletic career and her faith. Hyacinth also had the same problem because she is a Muslim woman and people underestimate her because she doesn't wear the usual skin-tight revealing uniforms for athletes. And the peak of the problem is when Tiana let other people's opinion affect her. It made her stress and feel that she needs to give up on her athletic career and choose one between her athletic career and her faith. Hyacinth, as a good friend, she motivated Tiana into pursuing her dreams and also pursuing her faith at the same time because anyone can do anything as long as they put their mind into it, and she should not think about other people's opinion. Point number 2. Theme. The theme of this drama is motivation and self-believing, even when you want to give up. Number 3. Characters. There are 2 types of characters for this drama. The first one is protagonist. The protagonist characters of this drama is Tiana and Hyacinth because they are both the main characters in the drama. Hyacinth is a type of protagonist that is more into the hero type role because she helped Tiana during her hard times. Number 2 is dynamic. The dynamic character is Tiana because she goes through a lot of inner or internal changes throughout the course of the story, from being happy and motivated and then doubtful, and then she ended up being motivated again to pursue what she believes. Number 4. Dialogue. The dialogue is an exchange between characters because mostly the dialogues are between Tiana and Hyacinth. Number 5. Sound. The back sound of the drama follows the flow pattern of the drama. So when the situations get sad, the sound also sound mellow. And when the situation gets pumped up, the sound also becomes upbeat. Number 6. Genre. The genre is drama, or to be more specific, it's about sports drama. Number 7. Language style. The language style of this drama is motivational. Number 8. Mood or feeling. The mood or feeling of this drama is tense, sad, but it has a happy ending. Alright, moving on to the technical elements. There are 7 points to this element. The first one being scenery or set. The sets that are in the drama are track field, changing room, and bench scene. Number 2. Costumes. The costume used in this drama is mostly sportswear. 3. Property. The property that are used in this drama are coach whistle, phones, and a few books. Number 4. Lights. The lighting that is used for this drama is natural lighting with low intensity. Number 5. Makeup. The makeup that is used are natural makeup or no makeup look. Number 6. There are no special effects in this drama. Number 7. Blocking. The blocking of this drama is between changes of set, which are track field, changing room, and bench scene, and then track field again, where they had the competition.
So now I want to explain about performance elements. There is 4 points about it: acting, character motivation, character analysis, and empathy. Acting means use of face, body, and voice to portray character. And then, facial expression of the actress on this drama are spot on because the viewers can understand and feel what they are trying to express. Body language of the actress on this drama are very representative as an athlete. And voice, the accent and pronunciation are clear. The intonation also support the atmosphere. And character motivation is what motivates the actress on her character in order to effectively interpret and deliver lines. And the character motivation on this drama is to be success even you are different. Next, character analysis is when you evaluate a character's traits, their role in the story, and the conflicts they experience. In this case, I analyze 2 characters. There is Teona and Hyacinth. Teona is an athlete. She is a dark-skinned woman who Adventist, which go to church on Saturday. In this case, many people think that every Christian should go to church on Sunday. And as an Adventist, if you have something to do on Saturday, God will understand that you cannot go to Sabbath. The second one is Hyacinth. She is an athlete too. She is a Muslim girl in a minority Muslim country, which UK. There is many people judge that Muslim girl with her headscarf or hijab can't do what other women do. In other words, they said hijab is an obstacle. And last, empathy. Empathy is a primary result of drama. It's when audience members identify with and share the feelings of the characters being presented on the stage. And there is a scene on this drama when Hyacinth reminded Teona to realize that she couldn't give up.
Types and characteristics. The type of this drama is straight drama or drama which ends with success because the actresses overcame their fear.
Okay, now we're moving to characteristic of drama. There is 4 points: message, format, process and production, and audience. The first one is message. Message means tells a story of certain characters or plot. Use property or movement as a symbols. On this drama, the message is don't worry for being different. Don't make it be your obstacle to reach your dreams. Don't give up. And second one is format. Format written in a form of a script, scenario of dialogue to be performed. And here I include a small part of the format. Regardless whether you're training partners or family, only one thing that matters between the start and the finish line: speed. And then next, process and production. is a staging direction for action, costuming, and physically setting stage. And this drama using a natural scenes and setting for the whole drama. And the last one is audience. In my opinion, this drama can be watched by 13 plus because it has a quite heavy message that can be understood by children under 13 years old.
Alright, that is all. Thank you so much for your attention and thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoy our presentation. Sorry if we have some mishaps. We are both signing off. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.